I was hoping to accomplish two things with this video. The first of which to show off this new little corner I have in my studio that I put together last night. The studio has been a ever-evolving space for me. It's a safe space. It's a place to be creative, a place of non-judgment, a place to do work. I have felt the need to continue beautifying it for that reason. That's the first reason I'm making this video. The second reason I'm making this video is to share a song and a story. This song I'm about to perform for you is called Train Station Blues. This is one of my mother's favorite songs. Maybe I'm starting to understand why a little better. I wrote this song in the summer of 2005, was dealing with a horrible bout of insomnia. Insomnia brought on by a bout of depression, heartache. I had just got done with my first real traveling experience cross country that came about due to some heartache, heartbreak, but it was an accomplishment. This was the first time I ever experienced something that I would experience throughout the rest of my life, which was the crash that happens after a big adventure or tour or project, the completion of a project, whatever the case may be. I didn't anticipate this, nor did I have any tools available to me to really cope with it. So I did it the best way I knew how, which was to dive deep into another project. That's kind of been my cycle and my process. I wrote this song as a bit of a lullaby to myself. And in the song, I'm imagining that sleep, like anything, is kind of a destination. It's a place that we travel to. I like to imagine it as packing my bags and going and sitting at the train station, and the train was going to take me to dreamland. Why is this song my mother's favorite song? Well, my mother suffers from bipolar disorder and has on and off throughout her life and our life, meaning us kids, her children, have dealt with a mother who has had bouts of mania and bouts of depression. And the manic bouts would usually result in very little sleep and insomnia for her as well. So maybe the song was something she could relate to in terms of not being able to sleep. I had a dream last night that was about somebody close to me passing away and hearing about the news. And was kind of devastated when I woke up, and I reached out to them right away and just told them I loved them and I was thinking about him. I missed him. Luckily, I heard back from him right away and kind of eased my mind a little bit. And it got me thinking that this song could also be about boarding that train to the afterlife, about kind of leaving this world and seeing it as a new adventure. And that gave me some comfort. It gave me comfort in knowing that, this life is temporary. And the only thing I'm sure of is that I'm going to die. I think that this song could also be viewed through that lens, through a lens of somebody who's leaving this world and has come to terms with that, thinking of this lullaby maybe his mother used to sing him as he lays down to rest and make that transition into a new life, a new form of existence, whatever that means.
Home, Father, lead me gently home.
I'm waiting at the station. All my bags are packed. I'm hopping on that freight train. I'm never coming back. And the moon is shining on my face. Lord, I've got to leave this place. On and on into sleeping. On and on until the sun arrives. On and on until I am dreaming. So hush, my little darling, don't say a word. Hush, my little baby, you're my little bird. And if you should refuse to fly, I will sing you a lullaby. So hush, my little darling, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.